I want to disagree with your commissioner. I want to disagree with Chief Aboki Omesimaka and also with Dr. Samson. It's not about the governor, it's about the state. The record is not SYMFONI. It will be that at certain time, these wonderful people that represented River State won this laurel for River State. It is not for me. It is only when you start analyzing which year, who was the governor, that is when you now say it's Fubara. But the most important thing, this trophy in the history of this state and Nigeria and the world will only be for River State. I want to especially appreciate the commissioner. One thing is spending money. Another one is getting results for the money. I think, not minding that this commissioner is a difficult person, he is. And then when it comes to the issue of results, he brings results. And he's not bringing the results because he's a commissioner. He's getting those results because he's working with dedicated team players. I want to appreciate you people for everything that you have done, your determination. Because if you're not determined to win, you're not going to flog you. It will just be, we'll try again, isn't it? But you want to be winners. And that is why we're celebrating today with these numbers of trophy here. I think I'm the most lucky representative of this state. You're making us proud. We will be encouraged to support you anymore. We will support you to make sure that you go places. I'm very happy. I am not sad about what when the commissioner was presenting his speech. He said, one of you are leaving us for a professional assignment in Turkey. Is that not? It's not a loss. You need to understand that it is not a loss. It is because of your victory, your hard work. That is why you're excelling. So anyone who does well and anybody who wants to take, I want to be associated with your progress and success. So I'm not sad. You have my blessing. And I believe that because I'm a man with a very special grace, you're going to do well there. It's not about this money. I want you to understand something. Cycling. But it's not my fault that your name is not here. All right, cycling. 5 million. Like I said, it's not about the money that is being pledged to you to encourage you. It's the spirit and the love that you have for our state that has enable you to represent us and also make us win in the committee of states. I'm coming to you. Don't worry, I'm coming. We are coming to feed that crowd, don't worry now. So I want you to live here, be encouraged the more. Continue to do the best you can to promote sports in our states. The only thing that brings people together is sports. And I think and believe that if we spend and invest in sports, it will go a long way to engage our youth and to reduce crime and criminality. So I'm here authorizing that the commission should immediately commence a sports program or festival that can engage our youth within this period. Be it football, be it whatever, but I want you to come up with a tournament that will engage our youth within now and December. I want the program to be a program that by December we should be gathering for us to honor the winners of the tournament. Let me also, I know that the utilities are disturbing. Yes, they are the utilities now. They are not making the, that's the noise from the utilities. We must also make the utilities happy. And the utilities are more than even the athletes. Okay. Utilities. All right. 20 million naira. You who personally won special trophies individually for your very excellent performance. The individuals will receive from the government not too much, but a sum of 2.5 billion naira each. We're doing this because I don't know how many reasons to spend this money to buy dynamite. I'm not going to use your money to assemble crowd to protest. I will use your money to spend on the good people and peace-loving people like this. I want you to know that. And I feel happy doing it because I know it's going to you for good use and not for any destructive purposes. Let me on this note thank the management of all the teams for the wonderful work we're doing. I also appreciate your supervisor, who is also the commissioner, I want to thank you. Continue to do your best. Make your state proud now that you are the one in charge of sports. So that tomorrow, people will remember when they go to the chronicles of the records of River State and say, yes, Christopher Green, when he was the commissioner, brought pride and honor to our states. Let me thank every one of you for your support to our government. I'm aware you want to be simplified. You are already simplified. I can feel it. If you are not simplified, you will not be successful. Simply come to success. Let me thank every one of you. Wish you all the best as you continue to make River State proud. Thank you. And may God bless you.